Welcome to EMS for SOLIDWORKS Tips and Tricks. In this video, I will be talking about when one should use the electric conduction solver in EMS. First of all, you need to have DC currents flowing through conductors. You can have either a potential difference generating this current, or if you know the value of the current, you can specify that in EMS. Then, if you're interested in calculating the current flow or the current density in each region of your conductor, then this is the solver that you need to be using. Finally, the solver also calculates the effective resistance of the conductor and also the ohmic heating. You can also couple the solver to a thermal solver to compute the temperatures. In this particular example, I have an assembly of a fuse where I have these copper electrodes and then a tungsten fuse wire in the connecting the two electrodes. We apply a small potential difference between two electrodes, and then we can use the electric conduction solver to compute the current flow in the tungsten wire. Here you see the current density plot as vectors. One can also calculate the temperature distribution in the assembly. You see here the red values denote high temperature in the fuse wire. Thank you for watching this video.